Welcome. You have arrived at a sacred moment just for you. This is a space of peace, of rest, and of deep inner healing. Let this be your invitation to slow down, to come home to yourself, and to remember that in this moment you are safe, held, and enough. Begin by gently closing your eyes. Let your hands rest in your lap or at your sides. Start to completely relax. You don't need to change anything. Just notice your breath. Notice your body. Notice this moment. Let's take 3 deep, intentional breaths together. Inhale slowly through the nose. And exhale gently through the mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. Now one more, really slow. Breathe in peace. And breathe out everything that no longer serves you. Begin to bring your awareness down to your feet. Feel the soles of your feet touching the earth or the ground beneath you. Imagine a gentle warmth, a glowing energy beneath you. It's soft, grounding, and steady. With each breath, let that warmth begin to rise up to your ankles, your calves, your knees, releasing heaviness as it travels upward, softening your thighs, your hips, your lower back and belly. Breathe. Now, let the warmth move into your chest, opening space around your heart. Allowing whatever is there to be seen and to soften. Feel it rise through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands and fingertips. Now gently into your neck, your jaw, your temples, and finally resting at the crown of your head. Your entire body is now bathed in this warm, peaceful energy. Held, supported, and deeply grounded. Imagine now that you are sitting beside a quiet, crystal clear lake at sunrise. There's no one around, just you and the stillness. The water is calm, the light is soft. The air is cool, fresh, and easy. You hear birds in the distance. The light of the sun is rising slowly, casting a golden glow across the water. You feel completely at ease. As you breathe in, imagine that golden sunlight filling your body. a golden energy of peace, of calm. As you breathe out, imagine any stress, noise, or thoughts gently dissolving into the air around you, like morning mist evaporating under the rising sun. Breathe in golden light. Breathe out any heaviness. Stay here in stillness for a few moments. Let the lake be your mind. Let it be clear, spacious, undisturbed. Notice the peace that arises when you stop chasing and simply allow. There's nothing to fix, nothing to change, only the sacred rhythm of your breath. Now, let's plant seeds of peace in your mind and body. Silently repeat each phrase after me. I am safe in this moment. Peace lives within me. I am grounded. I am steady. I am whole. I trust in the unfolding of my life. I allow joy to return. I am held. I am supported. I am enough. Let's pause for a second and notice how each one feels. Which ones resonate the most with you? You may return to these truths at any time. They are always within you, waiting to be remembered. Let's begin to gently return. Start by bringing awareness back to your body. Feel your breath again, soft, steady, and calm. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Feel your fingers, your toes, and slowly bring awareness back to the room around you, to the sounds, the air, the space. You are still surrounded by peace. Nothing has changed except your state of being. When you feel ready, take one final nourishing breath. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Then slowly, gently open your eyes. You've just gifted yourself the energy of presence. Carry this peace with you. Return to it as often as you need. You are never far from calm. You are never far from yourself. Thank you so much for sharing this moment with me. May you move through the rest of your day with ease and grace. Namaste. Please, if you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Maybe leave a comment about how you felt after this meditation. And if you have any tips or tricks, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for sharing your presence with me. Jana.